In the world of Copilot Studio, most of the time when you are using any type of entity or any kind of choice column, usually it stores the response into this kind of choice value. Now the problem will arise when you are passing that choice column to appropriate column into Dataverse or SharePoint. At the time, let's say in your Dataverse or in your SharePoint, the data type is text. At that time, you need to convert this choice column to the text value. Now how to do that? Let's have a quick look. To convert any kind of choice value to text value, simply let's click on add node over here. Just imagine you want to add the similar thing in your Dataverse section, or maybe if you want to pass that similar way in your SharePoint action. The simple thing you need to do here is click on the expression over here. And in this expression, what you need to supply over here is simply you need to use text function. Inside this text function, you just need to use like whatever your topic, not your variable name will be. So let's say your variable name is category. So let's say I'm just typing here topic, not category. When you just type like this, okay, basically it is just converting that choice value to the text call value, okay, and it will not throw you any kind of error afterwards. Click on insert, and basically this will convert your choice to text. Okay, so this is basically choice to text conversion in the Copilot Studio. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. If you want to join the premium membership of my channel for premium only content, click on the join button from here. So with that, this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next episode with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.